नमस्कार एंड वेलकम बैक टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ योर फेवरेट शो प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड। मैं हूं मनीष और हम लेके आए हैं आपके लिए ऑल द लेटेस्ट, ऑल द फ्रेशेस्ट, ऑल द कूलेस्ट न्यूज फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड ऑफ बॉलीवुड एंड सोशल मीडिया। नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच मोर टाइम, लेट्स किक स्टार्ट द शो विद दिस।
सैफ अली खान के बाद अब अक्षय कुमार करने वाले हैं डिजिटल डेब्यू। लॉकडाउन को कैसे यूटिलाइज कर रही हैं सैनन सिस्टर्स कृति और नुपुर। क्या वाइफ ताहिरा की फर्स्ट फीचर फिल्म को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे आयुष्मान खुराना। क्वारंटाइन में किसे मिस कर रही हैं करीना कपूर खान।
Well guys, Kareena Kapoor Khan may be new to social media, but that doesn't take away from the fact that she is definitely seeming like she's enjoying posting stories and pictures of herself, her husband Saif Ali Khan and her supremely cute kid Taimur. Now, Kareena के recent post को देखकर ये लगता है कि she too is missing spending time with her loved ones just like us during this lockdown. Here's the story.
It's a well-known fact that Kareena Kapoor Khan is extremely attached to her family, whether it's her mother Babita, sister Karishma, Saif and Taimur, and even her nieces and nephew. करीना के दिल में सबके लिए बहुत प्यार है and she regularly posts pictures of Saif and Taimur and thanks to the lockdown, throwback pictures with her closest friends as well. Relaxing at home and setting a new trend in her kaftan and messy bun summer style, Kareena seems to be really missing her extended family. After posting pictures recently of the cake her sister sent across and an adorable snap of Taimur gazing at his brother Kian, she has now shared another cute picture of Taimur's cousin Inaya, who is Saif's sister Soha and Kunal Khemu's daughter. Like most kids whose parents are finding activities for them to do indoors, Inaya also seems to have sat down with her parents to make a family tree using photographs of the family. Little Inaya's family tree features her grandparents from both sides of the family, Mamu and Mami, Saif and Kareena, Masi, Saba and Kunal's sister on the other side of the tree. What we loved were pictures of all her cousins, including Sara and Ibrahim, and of course the cousin she is closest to, Taimur. It looks like Inaya's mom is helping her in this indoor project and has written "My family complete" with a little red heart to complete her work of art. Inaya and Taimur are often spotted hanging out together on playdates and with their parents. In fact, Kareena and Saif have taken several holidays with Soha and Kunal, and since Inaya and Taimur are the same age, it looks like the kids have brought the families even closer.
One, hop. Two, hop. One, hop. Three, hop.
मेरे साथ कर, आराम से मेरे साथ कर। मैं फिर आपसे हाथ से मैं करती हूँ।
अच्छा।
One, no.
One.
Now, this lockdown has been a huge learning experience for our B-Town celebrities. Now, whether it is doing their household chores like cleaning the floors, washing the dishes, cooking their own food, drying out the clothes, whatever it may have been, they're learning it and they're having to do it. But apart from that, this has also given a lot of our B-Town celebrities the chance to spend time with their families and their loved ones, things that they couldn't do earlier because of their busy shooting schedules. Case in point is Kriti Sanon. Now, Kriti has basically been spending time at home with her sister and her mom, and recently her sister Nupur posted a video of Kriti trying to teach her mom a couple of dance steps. Now, did Kriti's mom feel that she was a good teacher and a good dancer? Well, let's find out.
कोई कुकिंग कर रहा है तो कोई बेक, Some have a newfound interest in mops while others are pulling out all the productivity stops. Bollywood celebs who are used to being constantly on the move from shoots to events and the gym in between are now trying to find ways to make use of this unexpected break at home. Kriti and Nupur Sanan, who are at home with their parents, have been making most of this time, relaxing and spending time with their parents, sharing household chores and cooking meals for the family.
So this is quinoa chicken biryani. This is raita with cucumber and pomegranate. And this is the chef.
Recently, Nupur cut Kriti's hair shorter for the summer, stepping in as a hairstylist since most salons are closed. But the sisters are not just picking up new skills alone. They are making use of this time to teach their parents a few new things too. Nupur has shared some videos on her social media stories, while big sister Kriti is trying very hard to teach her mother some dance steps to the song London Thumakda from the movie Queen. Nupur can be heard having a good laugh in the background while Kriti, who is quite a good dancer herself, tries hard to teach her mom how to coordinate opposite arms and legs and then hop gracefully to the catchy beats of the song.
Hop. 1, hop. 2, hop. 1, hop. 3, hop.
Nupur, who seems to be very amused by her poor mom trying to match steps, captioned the story, "That's how Punjabi's hip-hop. Isn't she the cutest?" Nupur is an aspiring actor in B-Town and featured in the highly successful music video Filhal with Akshay Kumar that has over 770 million views. Kriti is looking forward to 2 films, Mimi and Bachchan Pandey post the lockdown. पर जब तक काम फिर से नहीं शुरू हो जाता, the Sanan sisters are keeping their spirits up and their thumkas going at home.
Now, we all felt the terrible pain of having lost an incredible artist in Wajid Khan, who was battling multiple health issues and finally succumbed to them. Unfortunately, it is a reminder that the art outlives the artist, and here is what I'm talking about. The last film that the music duo Sajid and Wajid did together is Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai, which now will unfortunately release after the demise of Wajid Khan. Having said that, Atul Agnihotri recently revealed that these two fantastic talents have composed 2 tracks for the film. One is the title track and the other is a romantic number, and these tracks will obviously be loved by every Sajid Wajid Khan fan out there, not just in this country but world over. Here's the story.
Wajid Khan was only 42 when he was snatched from his family and the music industry he had enriched with his brother for almost 2 decades. His colleagues and friends from Bollywood remember him as a talented and jovial person, and the outpour of shock and grief at such a young artist dying unexpectedly has been heart-wrenching. Sajid Wajid had been working non-stop and even composed music for Salman's last lockdown song, Bhai Bhai, which released on Eid. The music director duo had also composed 2 songs for Salman's next film, Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai. अब इसे इत्तेफाक कहें या किस्मत, साजिद वाजिद की म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में शुरुआत भी सलमान खान की फिल्म से हुई थी, और जो आखिरी गाने उन्होंने साथ में बनाए वो भी सलमान की फिल्म के लिए ही थे। The film was scheduled to release on May 22nd, but with the lockdown being enforced, the film will now be released without Wajid being present to celebrate its music. Atul Agnihotri, one of Radhe's producers, spoke to an entertainment portal and shared more details about the songs Sajid Wajid had composed for the film. Atul revealed, the film has 5 songs in all. Sajid Wajid had composed 2 songs, one of which is the title track. It is more like the theme song and has a very catchy and uplifting tune. The other Sajid Wajid composition is a romantic track. He also added that the title track composed by the brothers is killer and straight from the heart. The other songs in the album have been composed by South composer Devi Shri Prasad, who will be recreating the hit Siti Maar from the Telugu film. And another one of Salman Khan's favorites, Himesh Reshamya, will be composing a romantic fun song. We hear that the film also has an item number featuring Salman's favorite co-star Jacqueline Fernandez. While we don't know when the film will finally release, we're sure it's going to be an emotional moment to hear Sajid Wajid's songs in theaters, knowing कि वो अब कभी एक साथ music नहीं बना पाएंगे.
Who buys better gifts? Who texts first in the morning? Who's more attractive? Who's the most adventurous? Who's hornier?
Ayushmann Khurrana's wife Tahira Kashyap was all set to direct her first feature film when unfortunately the lead actress of the film, Madhuri Dixit, decided to back out, citing the fact that there was a difference in opinion on the remuneration that had been decided. Now that unfortunately led to the fact that the producers of the film decided to back out as well, leaving Tahira in a complete lurch. And in comes Ayushmann Khurrana, the knight in shining armor who decided to turn producer so that his wife can direct her first feature film once the lockdown ends. Here's the story.
She may have recently called her husband Ayushmann Khurrana her senior in the industry and also said that she needs to work on a few projects before she feels qualified enough to direct him in a film. It looks like the talented Pati Patni ki jodi might be working together soon enough. सुनने में आया है that after Madhuri Dixit walked out of Tahira's feature film, the project has been in limbo. ये भी सुनने में आया है that the producers who were backing the film initially have now backed out following Madhuri's departure and delays due to Tahira's illness and recovery. The team is on an outlook for Madhuri's replacement, but in the meanwhile, it looks like Ayushmann might just become her Sapno ka producer and help his wife complete her first feature film. A source close to the couple says, it seems like the best possible option considering Tahira Kashyap wants to make her first feature film on her own terms with no compromises whatsoever. Since Ayushmann was also looking to venture into production eventually, starting off with Tahira's film seems like the best start. Tahira was all set to start work on her debut feature film, Sharma Ji Ki Beti, when she was diagnosed with cancer and had to take a break to fight the illness. After an inspiring recovery, she is back to work and recently directed a short film featuring Nina Gupta. Now, hopefully, with her husband's support, she will be able to complete this long-delayed dream and become a feature film director in Bollywood.
Who is the better driver?
Who has been in more car accidents?
Who initiated the first kiss?
Who is the bigger baby when sick?
Who is the most embarrassing?
Who is the better half?
दोस्तों अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back. Now, Cyclone Nisarg basically threatened to cause mass destruction in Mumbai. There was panic and pandemonium everywhere before the cyclone hit. But fortunately, the cyclone passed through Mumbai or passed along Mumbai and just caused a few scratches and bruises to the city, causing no major loss to lives or damage to properties. Now, while all of us are breathing a sigh of relief, let's not forget our B-Town celebrities are doing the same, especially Varun Dhawan, who it seems like, well, he was so pleased with the fact that the cyclone passed without any major destruction that he went down to the beach and took a monochrome selfie with a rainbow in the background. Now, क्या ये selfie आज की है या पहले की? क्या ये rainbow add किया गया है या नहीं? ये सब जानकारी हमारे पास अभी फिलहाल तो नहीं है, but maybe we'll find out in the story. So here it is.
क्या वरुण धवन गए थे बीच? क्या वरुण की सेल्फी है नई या फिर थ्रोबैक? क्या रेनबो है असली या फिर फिल्टर? These were some of the many questions that popped up in the minds of the Kalank actor's fans after he posted a monochrome selfie with a rainbow in the background. There was a lot of worry and fear about cyclone Nisarg and its possible damage to life and property in Mumbai, with news channels reporting high wind speeds and heavy rainfall. बारिश तो हुई, लेकिन luckily ज्यादा नुकसान नहीं हुआ and Mumbaikars heaved a sigh of relief when only a few trees were uprooted but no lives were lost. In fact, there were many posts of an unusually beautiful sunset after the cyclone had passed. Varun Dhawan also seemed to be excited about his city being safe and shared an unusual monochrome selfie with the beach and a rainbow in the background. Sharing the photo, Varun wrote, "The stories are true." While to some it looked like a picture with a rainbow filter effect, while others assumed it was an old selfie which was modified to express joy at the cyclone passing. Varun's co-star from Coolie #1, Sara Ali Khan, even commented, "Oh, you actually went to the beach. I thought you were joking." अब ये फोटो कब और कैसे लिया गया था और रेनबो का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस था, ये तो वरुण ही क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हैं. होपफुली इन रेनबोज के रंग उनके करियर को फिर से चमकाएंगे और उनकी अपकमिंग फिल्म कूली #1, which is a remake of the 1995 film of the same name starring Govinda and Karishma Kapoor, and the Arun Khetrapal biopic, both will shine at the box office.
Well, दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही, but we will be back again next week with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, I'm staying home, I'm staying safe, and I hope you guys are doing the same as well. Till then, take care. Ciao.